Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working with the Paper Person kit for October, which is all about the crafty things. I'm going to go ahead and work in my last Traveler's Notebook project from 2018 that I need to finish up. And one of the photos I need to scrapbook and journal about is craft day with my friends. So I also purchased from the shop those Hank alphabets. I love them. They are so cute. So I'm just showing you all of the kit. I'm going to be using the die cuts. I'm going to be using the Puffy Stickers. I love that paper. Today is going to be a small project, so a Traveler's Notebook. And then my second project for this will be a 12 by 12 layout. So I'm just going to decide what paper I want to use for the left side of my spread, and I'm going to go with one of the exclusive papers, this beautiful stripe. I just felt like it really worked. I really liked it. And then I'm also going to use some of the cut apart pieces from the back of that one sheet of paper for my journaling and stuff. So once I have cut that paper down, and I will tell you that I was careful about where I cut that paper because some of the cut aparts on the second side, I definitely want to use for another scrapbook page or another project. So I want this 3x4 card. This is the card I'm going to use to do all of my journaling on. And then I want this blue card because I'm going to use that one to mount my photo and add a bit more color to the left side of my spread. I went ahead and rounded the corners on my striped paper. This book that I'm working in today has rounded corners. Not my preference, but the only kind of deal breaker for me with Traveler's Notebooks that I purchase is that they have to be stitched. They cannot be stapled. Because if you purchase a stapled notebook, in my experience, you can't make them very chunky and they fall apart. But a stitched notebook, you can make nice and chunky and they hold up way better. So what I'm doing here is I've matted my photo and I want to use a couple of die cuts. I'm going to stick to this like aqua baby blue-ish pinky color and, well, aqua baby blue and pinky color that are in this collection. And I'm going to kind of stretch these ties a little bit by cutting them in half, and that allows me to create this border beside my photo without having to waste and use a bunch of die cuts. So that's just an easy, if you are working with limited products or you just have a couple things that are in the right color, cut them in half and then you can tuck them underneath and use them. These Puffy Stickers from this collection may be the cutest things ever. I bought an extra package of them because I needed a lot of them in my life. And I feel like I should have bought like 3 more packages of them. But I was very good. I just bought one extra. But they are beautiful. And there's loads of them on a sheet, but they're so cute. Oh, love them. So I am keeping to my colors, and I'm going to go ahead and just create a little border beside my photo. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a little bit of stamping. So I'm using the unlined label stamps from LA Studio, and then I have the stamp set that comes in the kit. The stamp set that comes in this kit is so cute. I mean, like, insanely cute. I love, love, love Kelly Perky stamps. Always have, always will. They're so good. So I have this one stamp that says Getting Crafty with Friends, and I'm going to stamp that one inside of this, the label, and I'm going to fussy cut the label out. And I am using Coast and Blush ink from the Paper Person. I really, really love how these inks coordinate with the Paper Person shop products. They work really well. They're super cute. So I really enjoy using them with my kits every month. So there's my little label. I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut that. On the right side of my spread, I'm going to use this Maker's Gonna Make card, and I'm going to do a whole bunch of journaling on it. I think I was looking for maybe something to mat my journal card with, but I decided that I would just put it in there just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my writing, and there's a good bit of journaling on this spread. I had a story to tell. And then below the story, I'm just going to go ahead and date stamp the day that we went. And I don't know what I'm looking for here. Oh, I think I was just going for a stamp set. I was thinking about putting one right in the middle of my journaling. Didn't really fit, and I can't remember if I used it or not. So there's the scrapbook stamp on this kit, and so I stamped it onto white paper and fussy cut it because I wanted to put it into like the middle or off to the side of my journaling, and it really wasn't going to work. Like it was going to overlap the borders, so I just put it onto some white paper. Next up, I'm going to use my Coast stamp, and I'm going to stamp out Craft Day using that Hank alphabet that I bought from the shop. When I ordered it, it was on sale. It was only like $12, which is a pretty good price. So for a full alphabet, and it is a really fun font. So if you want to head over to the Paper Partition shop and see if it's still in stock, you totally could. Last but not least, I want to add just a little bit more stamping to the right side of my spread. There is this adorable little stamp set of like a traveler's notebook, and there's another one that is like a set of embellishments, and so I'm going to stamp one of those at the top of my page, one of them at the bottom of my page, and then I'm going to layer two more of those adorable puffy stickers onto my spread. And can I just say, for whatever reason, making this layout was like my desk exploded. Like, you guys are around here long enough that you know I am a pretty neat crafter, and I didn't even use a lot of stuff on this layout. Like, it wasn't like I was doing anything that required a lot of like stuff, but man, I made a mess. Here is your close-ups. I hope you've enjoyed this process. Be sure to head over and check out what Susanna did with this kit, because she actually did a page that has nothing to do with crafting. It's about smoking meat. So that's pretty cool. Have a great day, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.